Okay, thank you for my first commenter, but it's not the time for that. Thank you for commenting down my video. I forgot your name, but it was a very nice comment. Thank you. So I was just walking around and we saw this.
We saw like the pipe is broken. There's like a hole.
There's a pipe broken, which means someone might have gone in there.
Somebody in there.
So we were wondering, why would their pipe be open?
And we don't
And
know
we
why.
looked in there, and
There's a person in there.
And there's all these bad stuff.
there's a bunch of writing in.
It says
It's just
L.
pitch black. There's nothing at all. It's pitch black.
It says
And normally there'd be another end on the other end of the cave, but we don't know what the heck it is. But scared.
I heard something.
Yeah, well, again, he said he heard something, and I just heard something. So
And
I don't know, guys. Thanks for the amazing comment. Love haters.
And my
Always
cousin,
share their opinion.
he's
So.
the one who saw a black person.
And there's L where it says F foot in it.
And
So,
my big cousin is the one who saw a black person. So if you know who that guy is, leave the comment
It's probably
below.
you guys' mom, but thanks for the amazing comment. This helps me keep on making videos. Bye, guys.